My name is Sam. I'm the tree nursery assistant here with the biodiversity team. We have a group of volunteers that come here on Tuesdays and Wednesdays. They help us get all the big jobs done. So if any trees moving or lots of trees planting or lots of trees potting on, the volunteers are really good at coming here and doing that with me. We have school groups come out sometimes, we have groups of retired people, we have groups of people who are recovering from illnesses and things like that, so it's really great to get this mixture of people coming out to help us. It's a brilliant community of volunteers we have. Lots of people make new friends here. We couldn't do what we do here without the volunteers. They really do make a huge impact on the work that is done, and not only do they help me, but they learn a lot themselves. Some of them are gardeners as a hobby at home, some of them have never done it before, some of them are retired professionals who have worked in countryside and horticulture before, and they learn things from here, I learn things from them, and it's a fantastic little community where we all learn things off each other and learn new skills.
My name's Christine Featherstone. I enjoy coming here. Sometimes we're indoors, sometimes we're outdoors, so you get the fresh air. I've learned so much about trees. I love the biodiversity project that we're working on, and I also like the people here, both staff and the other volunteers. We all get on really well. I've learnt a lot about trees and how they grow and how they mature, and the various trees that are native to our area. You can come for just a few hours, a morning or a day, and it really does get you outside, gets you learning, and we have a nice social chat as well.
Definitely welcome more volunteers. We have our main volunteer group on Tuesdays and Wednesdays, and if you would like to come along and volunteer with us here, you can email biodiversity@denbighshire.gov.uk, and one of the team will be in touch with you and tell you when and where to be.